We are going to review the Alienware laptop bag. This is the Elite one. I got this as a combo deal when I bought the laptop. It's actually made very well. Pockets are really good. The stitching as well. The zippers are really nice. I cannot fault this bag at all in terms of quality. Everything feels really good. We got a nice Velcro strip here so you can apply some badges or any kind of Velcro items you have. When I purchased this bag, there was a Velcro of an Alienware head, and I assumed you'd get that with the bag, but you didn't. You've also got some connection points that run up the bag that you can connect your keys or anything like that that you may have. Again, all of the zippers are really nice. For the main compartment, the zippers have a nice little rubberized grab handle here, and I like that. They also say Alienware, and there's two of them on with this particular laptop. So as you open this up, it kind of has a weird different opening because it opens sort of sideways. Inside the bag, you have two side pockets. You have one pocket that's labeled for headphones. You have a tablet pocket. You have a odd and end zippered pouch. It's way too small. And then here's the protective part for your laptop, and it looks big enough to hold a 17-inch. My big issue with this particular laptop is this netted piece. It's just way too small. I have lots of cables and odd and end pieces that I usually carry around, especially if I was going to use this as my work bag. I have to carry a laptop back and forth from the office to home every day. So I like to have a nice laptop bag when I do that. So for me, not enough storage compartments. I mean, they could have put some down the side. Also, at the top of there is one other storage compartment here that is lined, and I imagine you could either get a small tablet or something down in there. What I like to do now, let's load this guy up. Here's the laptop, and it's not all the way off, so we won't leave him in here that long. Now this is, again, the 15-inch, and you can see that the laptop goes all the way down inside. I have my Sony headphones. Let's put those on in the bag as well. Make sure that you guys can see down in there. So we got the headphones in here, we got my laptop in here, and my iPad Pro. I'm going to take it out of the case just so that I can make sure it'll fit. Take the pencil off as well. And this is the 12.9 iPad Pro, and let's fit that in the bag, and that fits really nice and comes right to the edge of the tablet. All right, so now let's add game controller. Everybody needs a game controller with a gaming laptop. So we got the game controller in here. The power brick. So I'm going to wrap up the power brick cord. And we could either put this power brick on the side, in the side pocket here. And that's how that looks. but I don't like the way it fits in there. So I'm going to take those and let's put these in the external side pouches. All right, there's one side. I really am not a fan of the way that this flap just continually flips and flaps around. And on the other side, let's just get the other side of the power cord in there. And that's pretty much it. So we've still got quite a bit of space in the bag. So from that perspective, I think the bag is roomy enough. It's a lot more space than the last Alienware bag. Again, I don't like the way that this guy flips around, and I really don't like that there's just not enough areas to store. I wish they had a few more pockets in here so that I can get cables in here and whatnot. I probably carry too many adapters and cables as it is, but I like to carry them. So I wish there was more pockets. So zipping this guy all the way up. That's it. And it is just a lot lighter than my previous laptop. And Alienware, it was the 15 R3, and this is just light and day better. I do like the bag. If I could have got the bundle without the bag, I guess it wouldn't be a bundle then. I definitely would have done that. The bag isn't a must, I don't think is a must-have by any means, but one of the things I've learned about Alienware is that it is really hard to find a bag that will hold the laptop. Take out my iPad. Take out the headphones. Yeah, zippers are really nice. Power cord. Let's see. On this side, we've got power brick. And at the top, got the old controller. So again, nothing wrong with the bag. I think it's just a little overpriced at $100, or I think that's what I got it for, was $100 in the bundle. But it's very good quality. Again, we're going to do the Alienware logo count. We've got one on the front. We've got one on the back. We've got one on the shoulder strap. And all of the zippers have a little Alienware head. So there's several of those zippers on here. And the pull tab type also have, you probably can't read that, but it's got Alienware embossed on the side. So that about sums it up. Again, in summary, I just want to say that I think it's an excellently built bag. I just wish that it had more pockets on the inside, but other than that, and the fact that the shoulder straps don't feel as comfortable as I think they should, especially for a bag that costs this amount of money. But those knocks aside, I think it's a great bag. Anybody that wants to get the new bag with their new laptop, I totally understand, but I don't think it's a must-have. I want to say thanks to everybody that subscribed to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please take a second and do so down below. And also below, make sure you click that notification bell. And let me know what you think about this laptop bag. Is it a keeper? Is it a must-have? What's your thoughts? I'm really interested to hear. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.